Hello everyone. Today I will be providing a tutorial on how to solve this beautiful cubic equation. The question says x cubed plus x squared is equal to 150. Find all values of x. Alright, so let's go ahead and find the values of x. Let's begin. We are given x cubed plus x squared is equal to 150. Now, the first thing we are going to do here is to move this 150 to the left hand side. So we have x cubed plus x squared. What I'm going to do here is to rewrite this 150 as minus 125 minus 25 is equal to 0. The question is, why did we do this? You will notice that we have x cubed plus x squared. The reason behind this is to raise this number to the power of 3 and also raise this number to the power of 2 so that we can apply the difference of 3 cubes and the difference of 2 squares identities. All right, so we will have x cubed plus x squared minus, we can write this 125 as 5 raised to the power of 3 minus, and we can write 25 as 5 raised to the power of 2, all is equal to 0. Now, let us extract the difference of 3 cubes and the difference of 2 squares from this equation. So we will have x cubed minus 5 cubed plus x squared minus 5 squared is equal to 0. Now we have the difference of 3 cubes and the difference of 2 squares. Let us write down the difference of 3 cubes and the difference of 2 squares identities. This is the difference of 3 cubes identity. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. We are going to write our expression in this format. And we will write the difference of 2 squares in this format. X will represent a and 5 represent b. In the difference of 2 squares, x will represent a and 5 represent b. So we will have x minus 5 times x squared plus ab is 5 times x. We will have 5x. B squared is 5 squared. So we have 5 squared plus, we will express the difference of 2 squared in this format. We have x minus 5 times s plus 5. So we will have x minus 5 times s squared plus 5x. 5 squared will give us 25 plus 25 plus x minus 5 times x plus 5. If you look closely, you notice that s minus 5 is common. Let us factor it out. This expression divided by s minus 5, we will be left with s squared plus 5x plus 25 plus this expression divided by s minus 5, we will be left with x plus 5. Remember, we have to equate the expression to 0. All right? Okay. The next thing we're going to do is to simplify this expression. So we will have x minus 5 s squared plus 5x plus 25 plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we will have x minus 5 times s squared. 5x plus s will give us 6x. 25 plus 5 will give us 30 is equal to 0. Let us equate each factor to 0. S is equal to 5. Then s squared plus 6x plus 30 is equal to 0. So our first value of s is 5. And we have a quadratic equation here. We are going to solve it quadratically. We cannot factorize this equation. We are going to use a quadratic formula. So this is a quadratic formula. A is the coefficient of first term, which is 1. So A is equal to 1. B is the coefficient of second term, which is 6. And C is the third term, which is 30. Now let us input these values in the equation. So we will have minus 6 plus minus 6 squared will give us 36 minus 4 times 1 times 30 will give us 120 divided by 2. We will have minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 120 will give us minus 84 divided by 2. We will have minus 6 plus minus. We can write this minus 84 as minus 1 times 4 times 21 divided by 2. Minus 1 times 4 times 21 will give us minus 84. All right. So we will have minus 6 plus minus. The square root of 4 will give us 2. The square root of minus 1 will give us I. We will be left with 21 in the radical divided by 2. So we are going to have two values of x here. So this will be minus 6 plus 2i times the square root of 21 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 2i the square root of 21 divided by 2. And the first value of x, which we obtain as 5. These are the values of x that satisfy the cubic equation. Thank you once again for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you find the video helpful. Remain blessed.